Have you ever wondered why in Minkowski space-time light travels at a 45-degree angle? Well, I know I have, and we're going to be telling you this in another episode of The Blind Leading the Blind, where we don't know what we're actually talking about, but we're going to pretend like we do. Before we get into the good stuff, we just need to go over what Minkowski space is. It's just a tool in math and in general relativity to represent a 4D plane. We represent the axes with CT, which basically C represents speed of light and T represents time. And when we multiply these, it just converts it into measurable lengths to match the other axes. And the other axes are X, which is just the x-axis, Z, which represents depth. Well, now it's time to answer the question, why is light 45 degrees in Minkowski space? The simplest answer is basically since we set the value of time to CT, it makes the light 45 degrees. Yeah, it's just all about, setting the units and stuff like that. However, we're going to try to stretch out the answer to around 2 minutes because I need something to do to not scroll my phone and also not touch grass because that's scary. Since CT equals X, we can just put this into the slope formula, which is rise over run, and run is CT X and X, and since they both equal the same, that just equals out to 1. Okay, now that I drew the graph, we're going to go back and just basically plot this out. So as you guys may know, we go up 1 and then sideways, boom, boom, boom. Simple grade 10 math. Yeah. And now it's not a 45-degree angle, but if I drew the graph properly, it would end up becoming a 45-degree angle. I just can't draw straight lines. Thank you for watching.